As a homeowner in Orangeburg, you understand how important it is to maintain a comfortable indoor climate while keeping energy costs manageable. With fluctuating temperatures and seasonal weather changes, keeping your home properly insulated can often feel like a challenge. One effective way to improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce utility bills is by upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows. Picture windows, known for their large, unobstructed glass panes that allow natural light and panoramic views, can be a beautiful feature in any home. However, if they are not properly insulated, they can lead to energy loss, driving up your heating and cooling costs. Fortunately, energy-efficient picture windows can solve this problem, offering enhanced insulation, reduced drafts, and ultimately, lower utility bills. In this article, we'll explore how energy-efficient picture windows work, why they're an excellent investment for homeowners in Orangeburg, and how they can help you save money on utility bills. How energy-efficient picture windows work. Energy-efficient picture windows are designed to offer superior insulation and protect your home from heat loss or gain. Unlike standard windows, which often allow air and temperature changes to seep through, energy-efficient windows are built with advanced features that reduce energy transfer. Double or triple glazing. Most energy-efficient picture windows are made with multiple layers of glass, known as double or triple glazing. These windows contain air or gas-filled spaces between the layers, which act as insulation and help prevent the transfer of heat. Double-glazed windows are typically filled with air, while triple-glazed windows may be filled with argon or krypton gas, which provides better insulation than air alone. Low-E coatings. Many energy-efficient windows feature low-E, low emissivity, coatings. These thin, transparent coatings are applied to the glass to reflect heat back into your home during the winter and block heat from entering during the summer. Low-E coatings allow natural light to pass through while reducing UV rays, which can cause fading of furniture and flooring. Argon or krypton gas. In addition to low-E coatings, energy-efficient picture windows often contain argon or krypton gas between the panes. These gases are denser than air and help reduce the amount of heat that passes through the window, improving insulation and reducing energy loss. Reduced heat loss and gaining in Orangeburg. In Orangeburg, where summer temperatures can soar and winters can be chilly, it's important to have windows that provide effective insulation. Picture windows, with their large glass panes, are particularly prone to heat loss and heat gain. Without proper insulation, they can let in the summer heat, making your air conditioning work harder, or allow warm air to escape in the winter, driving up your heating bills. By installing energy-efficient picture windows, you can significantly reduce the amount of heat transfer through the glass. The improved insulation keeps your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, helping you maintain a comfortable temperature without overworking your HVAC system. In the winter, the insulated glass of energy-efficient picture windows helps retain the heat generated by your furnace, reducing the need for constant heating. In the summer, the reflective low-E coatings block out the sun's rays, preventing the heat from entering your home and reducing the need for excessive air conditioning. Improved comfort throughout your home. One of the key benefits of energy-efficient picture windows is that they help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, eliminating hot or cold spots around the window. Without proper insulation, traditional windows can create drafts and temperature imbalances in your home, making certain areas uncomfortable to live in. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient picture windows, you can create a more comfortable living environment. For homes in Orangeburg, where the weather can shift dramatically between seasons, the consistent comfort provided by energy-efficient picture windows helps ensure that your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether it's keeping your living room warm during the winter or reducing the heat buildup in your home during the summer months, these windows make a noticeable difference in the overall comfort of your space. Lower utility bills and energy saving. Energy-efficient picture windows help reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy consumption and, therefore, reduced utility bills. By preventing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, these windows make it easier for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature without having to work overtime. This reduction in energy usage can result in significant savings on your monthly utility bills. Over time, the cost savings from lower heating and cooling expenses can offset the initial investment in energy-efficient windows. In fact, homeowners in Orangeburg may find that upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows is one of the best ways to save money in the long run, especially with rising energy costs. Environmentally friendly and sustainable. In addition to lowering your utility bills, energy-efficient windows are also an environmentally friendly choice. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, these windows help decrease your overall carbon footprint. Less energy consumption means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. If you're looking to make more environmentally conscious decisions for your home, upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows is an excellent way to do so. They provide all the benefits of improved comfort and savings, while also contributing to the broader effort of reducing energy use and protecting the environment. Conclusion. Energy-efficient picture windows offer numerous benefits to homeowners in Orangeburg, from reducing utility bills to improving home comfort and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. By upgrading to these advanced windows, you can enhance your home's insulation, reduce drafts, and keep your home more comfortable year-round. The energy savings alone make energy-efficient picture windows a worthwhile investment, providing long-term benefits that go beyond just improving your home's aesthetics. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, reach out to a professional window installer to explore the best energy-efficient picture windows for your home. With the right choice, you can enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and eco-friendly living space for years to come.